2008 siya. Tapos ito 1989. Wala, tanda na nung gate na yun. Palitan nyo na. Palitan nyo na yun. Ito 2018. Ayan o. 2018 daw. Kasi kahoy yun eh. Siguro masisira-sira rin talaga yun.
And no talk about transportation in Amsterdam would be complete without mentioning bicycles. You've probably figured out that they're Amsterdammers' favorite mode of transport. All around Central Station are places to park, from a huge multi-level bike parking